Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. These are the Apple Airpods 3, but these aren't just the normal AirPods. These are customized Apple Airpods, engraved version with the MagSafe charging case that you can pick up from the Apple store that I'm gonna show you. So this is the special Andro Dollar edition that I like to call. So here we have a sealed box, one of one special AirPods 3. So let's get right into this. I'm gonna peel this off and open this box up. First up, as always, we have the documentation. So we have information on how to use the AirPods, the regulatory information and all of the other documents. So I'm going to keep that to the side and move on to the custom Andro Dollar version of the AirPods 3. Here we have it engraved from the Apple Store itself. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of this plastic wrapping, and you can see that it's nicely engraved at the front. It says at Andro Dollar. That's my handle on social media, and it feels really good. And opening it up and taking the AirPods 3s out feels really nice and solid, just like any other AirPods that you will find, but only difference is these are engraved. So I actually got my hands on this a couple of months back, and I've been using this for a while now, but I just wanted to share this video with you guys. That's why I'm bringing this to you. So now that we have the AirPods out, let me get my iPhone out here, and then let me quickly go ahead and set it up as well. You know the drill. So in order to set it up, you just have to open up the AirPods case and the AirPods will show up on your iPhone. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit on connect right now, and the AirPods will now get connected, and it will give me a brief introduction on how to use the AirPods. So I'm gonna go through that, and that's about it. Now the AirPods are ready, so I can use it on my iPhone or on my Mac without any issues. It will automatically get connected, and that's the best part of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and play Enrique over here. So here we have it playing on the AirPods 3s, the custom Andro Dollar edition of the AirPods 3s, and it feels really nice. And let me tell you, the sound quality is pretty nice. One of the biggest things you're going to lack in the AirPods 3 when compared to the Pros are the active noise cancellation, but if you don't really mind about that, then these AirPods 3s could be a great pick. And in case if you're getting this from the Apple Store, make sure you engrave it just like this, just like how I have got it engraved. You can even get a text or emoji. So here I've got the custom Andro Dollar version of the AirTags. So let me know what you guys think down below. Smash that subscribe button if you guys are new to my channel. So with all of that being said, until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.